When you learn Systemverilog, you can learn it to write either a design code of Testbench code. These are two career paths in VLSI front-end design as well. That is, you can choose to be a design engineer or verification engineer. Design is the part of the program which will be synthesized and get converted to the actual IC, at the end of the whole process. Thus, when you write design code, it must be carefully written using only synthesizable language constructs. Also, it must optimize power, area and performance, by using minimum amount of gates, to manufacture a cost-effective IC. Thus a design engineer should be self-disciplined to write good RTL code in Systemverilog. On the other hand, the test bench code is the part of program which is used to verify, or test, the design code. It is often written by a verification engineer, who can use everything that is allowed in the HDL and need not be too much bothered about the performance matrices of the code he writes. Even though you aim to specialize in any of design and verification coding, it is highly recommended to get a minimum knowledge in the other area. That is, an excellent verification engineer will be a good designer, and an excellent design engineer will be a good verification guy as well. Now coming to your learning curve, you need to start learning SV, with design coding. After writing few successful simple design examples, you can write their testbench codes next. Initially, you can write very simple and direct testbench which will change the input values in the ports of the design. Using a simulation tool, you can verify the outputs the design, either seeing the waveform, or using simple comparing code in the testbench. Remember, always separate your design and testbench programs into different files.